This is my first time going Starbucks and here is how it went. So first, I wanted that experience, so I went to the Starbucks at AC Hotel. So girl reach and girl relax and just cross legs and enjoy the view. And admire myself. When I entered, nobody was in the line waiting to order. So I was there looking at the showcase, looking at the different desserts and pastries that they had. They have some foreign something in here, so some croissant with big bagels and all of them something there. They have some chocolate chip cookie, they had brownies, they had cake pops. They also had these cute little cups that you can purchase and the coffee beans. I don't think I will ever go back to Starbucks because I am not a coffee person. Whenever I drink coffee, I am awake for 2 to 3 days, so I stay away from coffee. I wanted this coffee because I was going on a long journey. I wanted to sleep, so I wanted something to keep me awake, and that's the only reason why I went to Starbucks, and also for the experience so I could get some content for you guys. And check back for part 2 with my hilarious review. Bye.